sekarang adalah sesi memasak makanan untuk gathering yang jauh.
Rasa. Ni masak apa sebenarnya?
Pedas. Asam pedas.
Asam pedas?
Yes.
Boleh cari bunga kantan
Tak, semalam tadi lah isu diorang cari bunga kantan, bunga kesong semua tak jumpa.
Oh, daun ketum cari mana nak jumpa. Pergi kedai daun ketum. Ada.
So basically they're discussing about the ingredients to be used in cooking asam pedas. I don't know anything about that. So basically nothing. This is the Evelyn Gardens boys just arrived here, and this is Rafsham and Adam, Ashley and everyone else. This video.
Oh, okay.
So everyone is coming over. Still not that many. Someone punched my stomach just now. Hey. This Atta just arrived from Heathrow. This is the SLR guy, whatever gila. Macam mana anda masak ni kan? Betul cara dia kan? The imposter. So the real cooker behind these dishes
It's me!
Mardia and Hanif, which is over there.
Budak lelaki kot. Masa bila dekat dengan budak lelaki.
So that's it. So I'm just standing here and watching them cooking, and I'm waiting for the food to be ready and eat them all up. So that's it. So this is my second entry of my video vlogging. Yeah, that's it.